Guys, welcome back. I decided to do another draggy test. I know you guys were saying that the times were off the first time I tested it, and I agree. They weren't what I thought the X5 should do. So I decided, you know what, that was me trying with 91 octane. Let me see what I can do if I can make the octane 93. So I'm trying this stuff here. It's called Boostane. I've actually learned about it when I was doing the tuning on the M3 about the seeing, bring the octane up a little bit higher. So with the M3 I ever fill up, I put 2 ounces of this according to the calculator, and it brings me up to what's supposed to be a 93 octane or somewhat a little bit more. So I still run the 91 octane tune on this car just as a safety measure, but I can definitely feel a difference when I put the octane booster in here. So I thought do the same thing with the X5. Let me see if I could bring it close to 93 octane. I put 2 ounces in here. I actually did 3 because it's a bit bigger tank. Felt a small difference. I should have used a little bit more, but I think if anything is probably better than what it was running before on California grade 91 octane. And if anyone doesn't know anything about it, you have 93 octane, your premium you can get, but out here in the West Coast, 91 is the highest we can get. And then it gets even worse when you get to California, and I think Arizona, Nevada. I think they have one of the worst. We have one of the worst fuels out there. So much to where the tune that did the M3, the people that did the tune, they have a specific 91 octane tune, and then they have one for people in California because they say we even got lower grade than 91. And I definitely feel a difference because every car that I purchased before when I lived on the East Coast and I brought here, it ran horrible. And even car I run that's 291 octane, my C63 I bought, my ISF, every car, it just feels like it struggles. It feels like it chokes on the fuel, and it's frustrating because you feel like you're being held back on power. So I'm not talking. I did it. I did draggy. Guys, I didn't like those I liked them, but I thought I could do a little bit better. I'm gonna try one more time, just do a quick launch control. I'm gonna see if I get the 0 to 60 down to 3.9. That'll be ideally. I'll see if that happens, and it doesn't happen, then I'll be done for a while. I'll kind of experiment with a few other things. All right, guys, let's go one more time.
30, 60, 1/4 mile.
All right, guys, as I edit this video, I just noticed the times are slightly better than what I got with the tuned 50i. So I'm pretty happy with it. I was hoping to get 3.9. I don't know what fuel I'll have in here. I mean, I just put a little bit of the booster. It could help. It could help a little bit. Maybe I'll do a little bit more some other time. I'll try it later. Last thing is, this is the exact same mount that I use with my previous Dragy videos. The only difference is I have now the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the stabilization is amazing. I mean, if you compare it, there's no vibration, and even my mount's jiggling. The camera itself, I just noticed that it keeps it very clean and stable. So that's thought I'd point that out. But guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, I'll see you next one.